Configuring Zelle free service is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started, you need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device with internet access. First, check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle by visiting the Zelle website and using the lookup tool. If your bank is a Zelle partner, you can use the Zelle app or access it through your bank's mobile app. To enroll in Zelle, open your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app and select the option to send money with Zelle. You will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile phone number to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code to verify your identity. Next, link your bank account to Zelle by selecting your bank from the list of participating banks and entering your online banking credentials. You may be required to answer security questions to complete the linking process. Once you have enrolled and linked your bank account, you can start sending money to friends, family, or anyone with a bank account in the United States. To send money, select the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send, and add a memo if needed. When receiving money, the recipient will receive a notification with instructions on how to claim the payment. If the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, the payment will be deposited directly into their bank account. To ensure safe and secure transactions, Zelle uses advanced security measures such as encryption and two-factor authentication. Additionally, you can use the Zelle app to track your transactions and monitor your account activity. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your account information and login credentials secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Zelle to send and receive money quickly and securely.